Hi guys, in this post we're going to be looking at evaluation question 1, which is in what way does your media product use, develop or challenge forms and conventions of a real life media product? The House-Day Gazette shows the house style of black and red, which is shown on the front cover and is conforming to conventions as lots of local newspapers tend to use these colours.
The masthead is shown at the top and in the centre, which is easy for audiences to see. It uses the house style and stands out a lot on the top of the page.
I noticed that there were business adverts on the front page, and actually that there were 4, which I consider to be more than normal.
The main headline uses a very bold font and stands out a lot in the middle of the page. There is an article and picture as well going along with it, which is also conforming to the conventions of a local newspaper.
There is a contents bar on the left which enables people to find information easier, and it has a nice easy to access contact us section, so it makes it easy for people to get in touch with the newspaper.
There are feature stories shown which goes with the conventions, as main stories are never shown on the second page.
The Gosfield Gazette. So the house style is a black and red format, which is almost typical of what happens for most local newspapers.
The masthead is at the top and in the centre, which conforms to the local conventions of a newspaper. It's easy for people to see and uses the house style, which is formal.
It carries business adverts and numbers of 3, which would be above typical, uses different colours, it tends to show what they have as offers. It is very good for local businesses.
The headline is also shown in a bold font, which is in the centre of the page, making it very eye-catching for audiences, and it stands out a lot more as that it's not a very typical headline to be shown in a local newspaper.
There is a contents bar on the left, which is easy for audiences to find, and again there's a contact us section, which provides the audience's info on how to contact the newspaper.
As normal, there are feature stories shown on the second page, which is conforming to conventions, and the main story will be later on in the paper, so audiences will get more interested to read that story.
Braintree and Witten Times. The house style is green and grey, so audiences are able to see it, and it's shown on the front cover. Unusual colours are used, so it stands out a bit more compared to the others.
The masthead, which is on the left and big, really stands out. It uses a mixture of colours, which actually emphasises it even more.
There are business adverts shown on the front cover, but there's only 2, which is less than what's normally shown, so it suggests that it's not conforming, and as the paper's aimed at a bigger area, there's therefore more businesses to show.
The headline is in big bold writing in the centre, which contains figures, which makes it stand out more and is a bit more unusual.
There's a contents bar shown on the left of the page, which is giving information about the paper, and there's also a contact us section, which is suggesting the second page of the newspaper is conforming to the conventions.
It has big feature stories shown, which actually give quite a lot of information, although the main story isn't on this page.
There's a column of feature stories on the right, which challenges the normal conventions of a local newspaper, because it's not normally there. It gives audiences more information and implies there's a lot more information in the paper.
Okay guys, thanks for watching.